So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker and you want paid time off, if you want paid time off, sick leave, you want protection if you get into accidents, if you want income protection, if you want protection if you ever get deactivated, hospitalized, if you ever do get deactivated and you want your account back as well, there's a brand new company that just launched and they got $1.6 million in funding. They're doing same day cash transfers to drivers, to gig workers for paid time off, all that stuff. If you want that, the company's called Cover. And if you use my link down below, you get 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month. But again, if you use my link, you get 30 days for free. No commitments, no annual contracts. You can cancel and pause at any time. The company's called Cover. At least check it out. At least click my link down below and accept that gift of 30 days for free. And now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, we're talking about a very important, special, yet sad topic that honestly is really sad. There's a driver who got arrested and I'm pretty sure sentenced to prison, or if not yet, he should be charged within the next year to be sentenced to possibly life in prison. And I'm gonna share the story with you guys today. I know this is not, probably what you wanna be watching. I mean, this is really sad news, but at the same time, this is news we need to be watching and need to be reading in order to really understand the depth and the danger of being a rideshare driver. So if you've ever driven for Uber and for Lyft, you've probably asked yourself the question, hey, is this a safe job, or should I, seek other employment? And that's definitely a question I've asked myself. And to be honest, sometimes, you might want to break out the pepper spray, invest in a taser or some mace. It's better to be safe than sorry. So that's the story we're going to be talking about today. If you could do me one favor, if you're watching this video, please leave the video with thumbs up. Basically what that does is when you click the thumbs up button, YouTube pushes this story to a wider audience. And I honestly, personally believe with all my heart that more people need to be aware of this so that they could have safety when they go out and drive or be a passenger. So if you could just please hit the thumbs up button so more people can be aware of this, that this actually is going on, because honestly, I think the media is suppressing this and I want to get this story out there. So if you could just tap the thumbs up button and let's break the internet with this video so that more people can see this. So without further ado, let's get started. This is, again, just a very depressing video on CNN. We're gonna get into that. Check out the links down below. I already mentioned Cover. If you're an Uber driver, Lyft driver, gig worker, you want benefits, protection, paid time off. If you basically want to pay into this community at Cover, and basically it's an emergency. So if you ever do get in a car accident, you ever get wrongfully deactivated, if you ever get hospitalized and you need money, Cover will literally replace your income. So that's the first company that I've seen doing it. They have over $1 million in funding. They're helping out thousands of drivers. So go ahead, use my link. You'll get your first 30 days for free. And now let's get started with today's video. So again, this is on CNN.com. Great news source, great media company. Love CNN. I really like that they are a verified network. Here we go. A man posed as an Uber or Lyft driver to lure a woman into his car. They want other potential victims to come forward. So he's not technically hired by Uber, but he was driving, pretending to be an Uber and Lyft driver. So both apps. I'm assuming he was a former driver who got stickers and he probably got deactivated and then, just kept on driving. A California man. So yeah, he's in California. California is not everything's safe and dandy and, dreams out in California. Beaches, there's a lot of bad things going on. Posing as a rideshare driver faces charges including burglary, false imprisonment, and attempted sexual battery. Now police are asking other victims to come forward. Nasef Rageb, 48, of Bakersfield, was arrested Friday, Bakersfield police said. Authorities linked him to several investigations in 2018, 2019 and 2020. How do you get away with this for 3 years straight? So this is late news, guys. 2020. 48-year-old man in Bakersfield. You might guys remember Crystal. She's on this channel every now and then. She's from this town, Bakersfield. In the most recent case on February 1st, this is literally during the lockdown, or right before it started, officers investigated a prowling incident in Bakersfield. Rageb was identified as the suspect. You guys think this might happen in other, third world countries or other, crazy parts of the world? No, this is happening in Bakersfield. Bakersfield is like basically a suburb of LA. It's not really, I mean, it's an hour and a half from LA, but like, I mean, it's like a normal town. It's a pretty nice town. It's almost like, yeah, like, I don't know, Orange County almost. Investigators said Rageb is also linked to 2 other incidences in 2018 and 2019 when Rageb allegedly posed as an Uber or Lyft driver and tried to get women into his vehicle. On at least one occasion, Rageb allegedly drove a victim to her home and forcibly kissed her. In another case, a victim reported. So what I'm assuming he does is, and look out for this, guys, probably put an Uber sticker on, a Lyft sticker on, and just went to the bars and waited for people to come out. And honestly, he probably just would see a woman, roll down his window and say, "Hey, do you need a ride? I'm an Uber driver. Free ride on me." That's literally, when you're drunk, you're like, "Oh my gosh, yeah, you're so nice. Let's get in a stranger's car." That's why you always want to be really careful and check the license plate, guys. There's creepy people out there, really dangerous people. Who knows what he done. In another instance, Rageb allegedly entered another victim's home through an unlocked door. All incidents took place in Northwest Bakersfield, police said. It was not clear Sunday whether Rageb had an attorney. Yeah, I mean, this is sad. Here's what new dental implants should cost in 2020. I don't know how much. I think they cost like 20 grand. But guys, this is crazy stuff. So, I mean, I just wanted to share this video with you guys. I mean, what do you guys think? Should this be sentenced to jail, to prison, in my opinion? In your opinion? Let's see if he's been sentenced to prison. Let's do a quick little Google search on this man. And this is crazy, guys. Like, do not want to, I mean, at least be on the sex offender list, because he's in court today. Peeping Tom allegedly posed as an Uber driver. I mean, yeah, this is a creep of all creeps, guys. February 10. I don't know. I'm gonna have to update you guys as soon as his sentence comes into play. I'm assuming he's gonna go to prison, to jail, and I don't think he'll be treated very nicely in jail. As you can see, this is a picture, I believe, inside the court of this man. He's so embarrassed, likely so. But hey, I'm getting his face and name out there. Please, again, hit that thumbs up button if you haven't already, so more people can see this and be aware of this man. This is crazy. Again, if you want to sign up for Cover, get your first 30 days for free. Cover is an amazing brand new company that's helping drivers. Essentially, in my opinion, you don't really need an emergency fund anymore. In the past, I would say, save $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 just in case, you get into an accident and you need money to pay for your car expenses, need money to replace your income. While Cover doesn't pay for your car expenses, Cover does replace your income. So the money you would be making as if you're driving, you get 80% of your income. That's, most of your income. And again, you're not like obviously putting miles on your car or spending money for gas. So it's almost like your full net income is just replaced. So if you use my link, you get your first 30 days for free. You get all those services for free for 30 days. You can check it out. But yeah, guys, thank you all for watching today's video. You guys are amazing. Stay safe out there, please, and please give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos on this channel. I will talk to y'all soon. Check out all the links down below if you want extra money as well. There's a bunch of different ways to make money. Just go tap through, scroll down through, and look at all the ways. Maybe you'll find, maybe you can make an extra couple $100 a month. Just check out the links down below. I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye, guys.